In árig in Rochaimsir amach for an Tulach Mhór an Ceannas Feabhar an Ferbane. An aireoltas an Ferbane dír sa bhaint amach am líana, nó an aireoltas an Tulach Mhór seilbhach máidir an gcuireann. Tomás Macatír a haman tráthruachta.
Sé seo éireann cumann an Arbháin Tránthóna. Tás níon David Duncan sa chúl le Kevin Nugent captéin an éireann na Cathal Ganzi idir Cúig Tránthóna. Taobh le Liam Fox agus Stephen Rint sa lína le chúl. Tá Brian Carroll agus Jack Clancy ar na Clíán chun tusaigh agus Dara Flynn istigh sa chúna a ríist in óbh. Don Tulach Mhór tá Corey White istigh sa chúl le Declan Hogan mar lán chulaí in Uibh. Tás níon Aaron Levy taobh le Aaron Hinsey a Mhór na Parkis tá Cormac Egan amnathe ar taobh a Cathal Ganzi idir de in óbh. Shelvig an Tulach Mhór is Mhór na Parkis in Counts gar amach go maith san aige. Cathal Flynn is an féidir le scór a gáil an son. Mó dír chun úsáid in Michigan. Farbán is an son féidir le scór éigen a gáil leis a darn. Harris an Drasnán an son aige Cian Johnson. Is siúd gimar tú sig sa chúna Tránthóna. Chiad scór aimse an son aige dóibh. Rístin líor hód fóstan sa. You can Tulach Mhór trust in the park a Raisha the Reiston saw Brewa Hurn Lear Hod and Ishigas and Custom Tori and so K.O. Cheleve Fachtenson a Reisha Willige Cormac Egan ha Los of Arsenal or Hinchech on Keen Hasha Chowlesh and Sonny Fader stop a Harlesh on the Lord of their fad Agus and Shelle Fos again Leshi Kitoy go and Tershinig Agus Harris and Drosnan Cormac Facht again son Kika Machale Letogan the son Camor Fada Mahajo Lorna Parke Shelle on the Hawk to Hunishan son and Bishop Fulton saw Kevig on the douche. Well, Tulach Mhór a Fulton counts and John Furlong a Buchten done Bishishin. You're hot Fachtige Egan a reached scored as Fachtige shooting son Tamalin Biogo hin. Say Machter Ruher reached and saw Dakar stop a Hurlesh of Arson or a Henshech on Keen on the Lord Agus Lewis again. Hasha Foss Chowlesh and saw had the hitting a Machan saw on the York then to get Cormac Egan and Aaron a horse Swan Bork at Sagas Kevig on from Crech Hurleshin ach Nigel Bracken. Shawishn Arbháin amach sos na park at Stephen Wren counting Cluiche Ceannais and son aige on féidir le scór a gáil an le Cluiche na Broigar a trust an buscat sa well bhí sé sin ach big score le tachttas an éidir méid big a brat ball amach an orda a scór fachtige é ríiste fiach de stach an son ibre dó Egan son Jack Clancy Machalele le tógan at son ní se amach gar leis a gic amach sa mach jo Lorna Park has the mach le go chain countercach but to reach son again far ball and Lorna Park agus reach a spás a halt and isn't so go socro for she's sa agus cor for broig leis lir hot agus Harris and Drasnan leis corner go he e fachten son again Farahun and son Dara Flynn Shall fachte her national son Paul McConway fought lir hot and agus sos na Park a Raisha the reach so agus score na Lorganish again Tulach Mhór at so Darna la Buaicphointí éidir an gáir na sa Shastar lína dahal cúgan scuilig sé fé scór an son Nigel Bracken broig mór mílteach chur leis an gceann agus hiachar sin an gae Torton Counts and Harris and Drasnan da It's an bútarach a ríist an sa Machad lo Joel Lorna Park a ríist Bishop Fachta Cormac Egan about to sin agus iver Cardiac and Dan Fox a Machter Roher Einler and sa had the hitting amach an sa Tulach Mhór Chilton Barnish in a Laidu agus sin a chur co-score at sa William Yates and to get tall and brought ball a Machter Nord a score ma Fachta get Dan Fox about to son Paul McConway is tugging the kicks and trusting son agus an gwail Luberloch ma and Lear Hudson the kite and Sunaka and Farbán and Isha Brashins and son nach which at soccer to Sna Coola head Sagas Fader lo score a halt agus and counts and Cora Harris and Drasnall the will ta they get Cian Johnson score gone fack Níocht in Michigan Farbán score a halt at sa counts and Crocht the Stachenson but she Congrocht and Bullock Cora Harris and Drasnall and son again Joe Maher Shall have reached and saw Cormac Egan, Crahuna Fibena, Tránthóna, reached us in the park, Raisha, if the Shanes in the Max Sus in the park, will go on to Shinnigat, Deer, or go on to get, and son, you get John Furlong or your hot son, you fight it in the higher and it's up. Reach Shell on the Hawk to Fachter her national son again. Our ball, Caffer, Vec Cormac and saw, which I should order on Dalav Neil, has Fachter Rashing and Tulach Mhór reached, Sosna Parker, Raisha, the reach and saw on Fader Law, Dulchan Keen and saw on Council if you can come out away, like some Clug Knock, more Mehem saw her in, Dara MacDade, Irish and Drasnan and son again. Peinte bháin idir an gáir atá an Tulach Mhór is títim siar antá cosint go cruúig atá bhfuil an deis cailtin san ag an Arbháin sus na parca ráise an is atá haríos an Tulach Mhór tá se selibin is chiimead antá an Tom nach mór a stigarin cad a hiti go machantá an féidir lá bhégan de chuir leor hótsa ach a stigad san atá Diarmaid Egan with scór fachta ag Egan an brat bána mecht an áde agus Buaicphointí idir an gáir na níis. Hansen a reached the Mhór on the park and he failed listen Arbháin leor hód a hátar national éair Peinte bháin atra cad dhéana siad an Shelf le fátar as sal again Tulach Mhór agus leis sin han fadóg dar nach séte agus an Tulach Mhór buc a choréisian sa halú bháilí am léana ná de 5 diag len ná de 4 diag.
Yeah, I was really worried, if I'm honest. I thought we were doing right things. I thought we were trying to get up their middle well by first working around the edges, and then we probably could have got a goal, and we just had to sort out a few things, and we kind of decided at half-time, listen, if we're not going to do this back-to-back that hasn't been done in a long time, we're going to do it by going down with a fight. It's 98 years, actually, since they went back-to-back. We're a club now with 30 championships, and to think that we've never done back-to-back since then is crazy. But yeah, very, very satisfied, very proud is the overwhelming feeling at the moment.